So hand sprayed finish is when the whole kitchen would turn up pre-finished, so just ready to install, and there'll be no kind of finishing off to do at the end. Advantages and disadvantages to this really would be if you've got a joint line or a cut, there's no way of painting over that. So joints can be slightly more noticeable with a pre-finished material because obviously it's a fresh cut and then obviously it's being jointed together. The main kind of big advantage really to this is when you've got a hand sprayed finish, the finish on the door generally is a lot smoother and a lot crisper finish because it's been sprayed on as opposed to actually painted with a brush. You will get obviously brush strokes, so you will notice kind of lines in that, where with a sprayed finish it will be a much sort of crisper finish. The other thing to bear in mind as well is when you are doing a hand sprayed finish, generally the paint that will be used would be a two-part paint. So that would be a paint with a hardener. So that's very similar to kind of a car paint, although obviously in the kitchen industry it is designed for timbers as opposed to metals and plastics, but the principle's still the same. So it would be a paint with a hardener, so it will be a lot more hardware and a lot more durable to general kind of knocks and scuffs and scratches and things like that. Having said that, obviously, if you ran a key down your car, you could scratch it. If you ran a key down a hand-sprayed kitchen, you could still scratch it. But in most cases, you would get left with a touch-up pot. So worst case scenario, if you hit the corner of the door or something like that, you would be able to obviously touch that in if needed. Both of those obviously can be repainted, can be resprayed in future. So if you ever decided, I don't know, 10, 15, 20 years down the line that you wanted a different colour or something, because they're both a painted finish, you could still update it.